Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm actually doing a full dining room reset, deep cleaning, decluttering and adding some new decor. This one is super satisfying, so let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I live in the UK and I'm a house mom to 5 children. Obviously, if you like this content of this video, please do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and don't forget the notification bell due to obviously seeing my next upload. If you want to hype my video, it's just giving me a couple of points and stuff like that. It's nothing serious or anything like that. It's just putting some points on my video so it gets out a little bit more to the algorithm. So yeah, if you just want to do that, I'll be very grateful for that. But it doesn't matter anyway, because obviously you're watching my video, so that helps me get views and stuff like that anyway. But yeah, obviously let's just get into this video.
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
I wanted this space to feel calm and cozy again.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and it
in a post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Oh yeah, the summer night, the summer night, oh the summer night.
There's something so motivating about a fresh reset.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we're sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 you see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 you see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 yeah. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 yeah. Don't wanna be like you. wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. All we want is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you.
I kept this decor simple and warm.
To talk to me is what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Hey, could be us, but hey, I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend.
This small change made such a big difference.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete always another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. You're smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you enjoyed this reset, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment what room I should reset next. So yeah, obviously this is kind of the end of this video, and obviously I will say a massive big thank you for watching, and I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.